Hello, Lisa Piper here. I want to talk a little bit today about Cordyceps Mushroom powder and what it can do for you right now, how it can keep you healthy through all this funky virus scare. So Cordyceps Mushroom, you're usually going to find it in powder form. It's something that has a lot of health benefits, but I want to focus on the ones that are very specific to this coronavirus, COVID-19, that we're dealing with right now. So what it can do for specifically that virus is Cordyceps is an immunoenhancer, so it really helps the immune system in general to really be much stronger. This is of course because it has a lot of antioxidant properties in it. The other thing that it does is it really helps protect the mitochondria and strengthen our cells, and specifically the dendritic cells, which, not to go into a biology lesson, but basically what it does is stimulate these mature cells into going and doing their own immune response the way they're supposed to when they feel like they're being attacked by a virus. This is exactly what we want. The way that this specific virus has been known to work is it really gets in there and weakens the cells, and this is something that'll help protect that and strengthen it. The other thing that this awesome mushroom does is it will help in protect the cilia lining of the lungs, the little hairs that are along the lungs that line it. Why that's important is that what that does is helps to mitigate mucus once it starts in the body. This particular virus, once it hits phase 2, goes into mucus forming and fluid building, and that's how we end up with pneumonia and some of those other problems that we've seen that can cause some really serious problems. When the cilia are there and protected, they can help the body expel this fluid, which is really important for our body to be able to do that. When it can't do that, that's when we see problems. So being able to protect that is a really important property that Cordyceps helps with. So this is good for preventative and staying healthy and keeping these parts of your body strong, as well as once you're sick, it can help the body do some repair quickly and help your body respond a little bit faster. Some of the other properties that this amazing mushroom powder has is it will give you a little bit of energy. That's what it's known for, getting rid of fatigue, and then also it will boost the sex drive. It helps give people energy. It helps with a little bit of brain function and improvement. So these are some other side benefits that you'll get from this, as well as anti-inflammatory properties and even some potential anti-tumor and cancerous properties. So this is a great herb or mushroom to continue taking just on a regular basis, preventatively, or if you're sick. It's been known to help with many other things like kidney disease, liver function, even for people with type 2 diabetes. They've had a lot of success using this, so I just highly recommend it. So how do you use it? I recommend taking about 1 teaspoon a day if it's a preventative thing and you're really just looking to stay healthy. If you're looking to really help boost the immune system and you're sick, you're going to do more like 2 to 3 teaspoons. You can put this in a smoothie, mix it in water and drink it. You can put it in food. I recommend trying not to cook with it because you want to keep it raw as much as you can so that you can keep those medicinal properties really doing what they're supposed to as much as possible. So I highly recommend that you give this a try, work with it in your diet a little bit. Now's the time to start exploring with it. We of course sell it here at the co-op, and you're welcome to give us a call at 832-632-2937, see if we can help you. Or you can always check out our website at shopnaturalliving.com, or even email us at sales@shopnaturalliving.com. Thanks, happy healing.